Hey guys, this is bad.
You guys, get out in the middle.
Tornadoes coming to
Get out in the middle. Stay away from the windows.
We're getting out of class.
What's up, guys?
Shut up, John.
Tornado.
There's a tornado coming in Ravenswood, and it's not. And this is serious.
Put your phone away. Put your phone away. Nobody cares about you, JD. It's our channel.
We're gonna have to go on the bottom of the stairs from school. Gotta get off. Gotta get off. Guys, I'll come back. There's a tornado watch. There's been sirens going off and on. We're all downstairs. My brother's in I don't know where he is. We have to sit against the wall. I want to tell all my videos. Always keep vlogging. Wait, like, subscribe, and always keep vlogging. We have to stay against the wall. We're back.
We're still sitting here in the hallway. We've been sitting here for 5 days now.
No,
like 5 minutes.
I feel like they're gonna sleep. Thanks for that update.
Hey guys, we're back, and I'm sorry, I couldn't get any more footage. Okay, I'm sorry I couldn't get any more footage of the tornado. Yeah, there was a tornado, but we found out that it was like a couple miles away from us, but it was really windy, and there was like leaves and sticks and everything flying around, and we had to sit in the hallways. It was really scary, so there's people crying. I probably got some shots in the hallway, but we weren't allowed to video, so I had to shut it off. But here we are in the car. As you can see that I'm the one videoing now because Anthony don't have his phone right now. He left it at home. So yeah, and now we're listening to Timmy Turner. This isn't Timmy Turner.
Listen to Fine China.
Fine China. Yeah, but catch you. We're dropping Anthony off, so catch you soon.
Important email to a colleague.
Hello guys, Blake here, and we're back home. I'm back home, and here's Bryce. And we're FaceTiming Anthony. Say hi, Anthony. Little Venom. And need to turn that down. But right now we're just sitting at our house, and I'm the one videoing for now, and nothing got destroyed in town. A tornado was close by, but no one got hurt. And during the tornado, my stepdad found a cool ball. Evolution. And it's sweet. $80 ball for free from the storm. And we're gonna ball out. And Anthony. But we'll do more stuff, but it's nighttime right now, so we'll catch you soon when we do some other stuff. See you guys. What's up, everybody? This is Little Venom. And the Frick Frick Boys. We got a guest. And we got our jug of water, our cups, our basketballs. We got a pump. We got 2 basketballs. And you guys gonna guess of where we're here? We're at the. Wait, show them the sign right there. We are at the Ravenswood Grade School, baby. I have a lot of memories here. We're gonna be out here shooting today. Today's a Sunday. Here's a playground. And I don't know if you can see it, but over there, we're gonna be balling over there at the grade school. And we'll catch you in the next scene. Hey guys, Blake here, and we're shooting still. And me and Anthony just won these last two. We're doing all 6. And it's pretty hot. We got fresh water. And it's a good day. And yeah. Catch you soon after this. Hey guys, Blake here, John, Bryce, and we're gonna go drive. We're gonna go get some hot fudge. And we got 4 sundaes. We're gonna go to McDonald's. It's gonna be good. So what flavor are we gonna get, John? Chocolate? Vanilla?
Yes.
I get chocolate. With nuts. Vanilla. I'm gonna get chocolate. Yeah. Green light, yeah. We're gonna get there, and then after we get our sundaes, we're gonna drop John off. He's gonna go watch Logan, go watch the theaters, Wolverine, and then we'll drop Anthony off, and we'll have our sundaes, and then it'll be the end of the vlog. Post it up tonight, so we'll catch you at McDonald's. Hey guys, Blake here, and we got our sundaes. John got fudge, vanilla, and 2 fudge here. We're dropping John off. He's gonna go watch Logan. We're all gonna enjoy our sundaes. Here he lives. What's all my house? There's Maya, if you can see her. So bye, John. And here, bud. You can eat our sundaes. We're getting off the video here. We're gonna end it off at Anthony's house. So see you there. Hey guys, back, and we're eating our ice cream. I have the camera set, and Bryce had to stop because he didn't want to eat while drive, so here we are eating our ice cream. We just dropped John off. So good. Anything to say? We might as well just end the video off here.
We're not eating enough here.
We're gonna have to end it at Anthony's house, so. Yeah, we have 2 videos. This one will probably be coming up next week. This one, Anthony's phone's still getting repaired on. For some reason it didn't charge. His phone can't charge, but it works, so we're videoing on Bryce's phone. And hopefully this is probably another home game. Yeah, we won our last game. We're going to have another home game and then states. Yeah, if we win this one, regions, then we're going to go to states. Hopefully we win all 3. We'll get our championship. And we'll show you how that goes. We'll get footage of all that. And that's all. I'm going to enjoy this Sunday. I'm going to enjoy mine. Catch you at Anthony's house. Hey guys, we're ending off the video. And we're going to say our ending. So, like, subscribe, and always keep vlogging. Bye, Anthony. We're going to let you watch you walk slow motion. We're going to end off here. See you guys.